Is your VW Golf's infotainment screen randomly turning off? You're not alone. This is a known issue affecting many models. The problem often stems from software glitches, sleep mode settings that trigger too quickly, low battery voltage, or hardware faults. Volkswagen has released over-the-air updates for newer MK8 Golfs that significantly reduce random reboots. For older MK7 models, a dealership visit for a control module reflash, as outlined in Technical Service Bulletin 2059634, is often necessary. MK8 models may need software recalibration for CAN bus issues, covered in TSB 267890. As a first step, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Also check your battery voltage. It should read between 12.6 and 12.8 volts at rest. Make sure you're up to date on your vehicle services. If updating doesn't solve the issue, examine your infotainment system's sleep mode settings under Settings, System, Power Management. While setting to never prevents shutdowns, it can drain your battery. Ensure your battery is healthy. Low voltage can trigger reboots. As a last resort, consider a factory reset via the infotainment menu. But remember, this will erase all your data. Looking ahead, VW is increasingly relying on software-based fixes. The upcoming MIB4 rollout in 2026 promises AI-driven diagnostics for preemptive maintenance and fewer shutdowns. For now, ensure you're using official VW updates and avoid third-party modifications to prevent further issues. If problems persist, seek professional diagnostics from a certified dealer.